Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and please ignore the music, it's my grandpa's. And today, we're gonna open these packages when I ordered it yesterday. No, not really. It was like, I don't know, 10 days ago. But let's start it. As you can see, I just went back from school, and let's open it up. Let's open this Amazon box first. It's hard. My mom would do it. If you guys don't know, I'm 9 years old. I'm 9. And I still don't know how to open boxes. It's pretty hard. I got a Goku plushie. And he's pretty big. And there he is. His name is Goku. He's a Super Saiyan. Now for the next one. I don't need a scissors. I got an inkling from Splatoon 2. If you guys don't know, I already have one inkling, and which is the original one. And this is made from Japan. Or China, I don't know. Yeah, it's from Tokyo, which is from Japan. So this is made in Japan. I'm gonna squirt you kids. Pew, pew. Ugh. Get out. Okay, see you guys. Click the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and like the video so you could be awesome. See ya.